I look crazy. Alright, so I don't think I really need to make an intro because this is a vlog, so I don't really need to be all welcome back to my channel and all that other stuff. So today I'm at the hair store. In my last video with the quick weave, I said that I was going to show y'all how I go to the hair store and find quality hair because I don't feel like ordering anything online. And I want to touch and feel and all that. And for girls who probably can't afford to get all that expensive hair online, and for girls who don't like to wait a week to get your hair and like to touch and feel on hair, this is for you. So I was just at my local beauty supply store, like near around where I live, and I don't know what I went in there for. I was just in there. That's what I do. I'm always in there. Like, I stay in the hair store like once, twice a week. Anyway, I was in the hair store and I was just looking at the wigs, and they had some decent wigs, but I don't know, I don't know. So I was like, nah, I'm about to go to KC Beauty down in the down in town. I don't live in town, I don't live in the city, I live in the county. So we don't have nothing out there. We don't have nothing. Everything we have is like bare minimum. We don't have, there's an old man looking at me. Anyway, we don't have the stuff. Like, we don't have the good hair store. So I said, let me go down to KC Beauty. Let me take my little trip. Really don't know what I'm about to do right now, so we're just gonna go in here and let the hair store tell us and ignore this. I wasn't planning on coming out. Like, I was just supposed to run to the hair store and go back home and take a nap, and I was like, I might as well record that video so I can do my hair on Sunday. Might as well record that video. Here it is, so let's go. Okay. Oh, I want to do that corny thing. Hello. Show y'all what I got from the hair store. It's currently 1:30. I'm back home now. I'm back in the bed, and yeah, now y'all get to see everything I bought, because remember I said I went to 2 beauty supply stores. I went to my local little one, doesn't have much, and then I went to a bigger one in town. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. So first I got this headband. It was only $1.99. It's really cute. I love the pattern. I just needed something to throw on because I'm at the end of my quick weave, and yeah, I'm not gluing it down because I'm taking it out in 2 days. So yeah, I just got these little headbands. They were only $1.99. Track glue, because when I did this quick weave, I was running out. So I got another headband from this other store. Yeah, the one that I was vlogging in that y'all saw. I got this headband. It's cute. I think I'm gonna wear that to work today. And then I got this one. I like them. They're both cute. They're basically the same. That's what they do. They make like the same pattern in different colors. So these are cute though. Then I got dome cap for when I make this wig, because I think I'm gonna make it into a wig. I'm not gonna do a quick weave. And then I got this for, I don't know, whenever next time I put a fucking wig on. And I need bleaching powder so that I can bleach this lace. So wait till y'all see the hair that I got. So I'm actually running out of time, and no, I'm not done my hair, but I'm about to sit here and do the outro while I finish it because I gotta go to work. So this hair is from Trust's Hair Company, and I showed y'all the little process I go through when I go to the hair store, and how I find good quality hair in the beauty supply store, because everybody for some reason thinks that only good hair is gonna come on mine, which is not true. This hair is super soft. Has a lot of body. Like, as y'all can see, I had to take another bundle that I didn't use when I made the wig to make the ponytail, so I didn't even use all the bundles. And yeah, I love this wig. I got it in 12, 14, and 16 inches. I'm not sure the length of the closure, but this is really decent, good quality hair. So for the girls that swear that you have to order it online, now y'all know I don't always get my hair online. And yeah, I hope that this was like a good informal video for y'all, especially girls that probably, you know, can't afford that $200 hair. And I did make this wig using the hot glue gun tutorials. Hot glue gun, which I did a tutorial a while ago, but the video was bad quality, so maybe I'll make another video showing y'all how I make my wigs, because I don't like sewing my wigs. I sewed a wig like one time. It was taking so long, and then when I was sewing it, it ended up being too small. Like, I don't know, I guess I was sewing the... I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial slash vlog slash whatever you want to call it. But yes, this half up, half down is just giving me, ooh, I look cute. Yeah, this half up, half down is super cute. This hair is bomb. Like, look at it. Look at the body. Look at this. Look. Like, look. Like, look. Like, it's everything. It's everything. So yeah, 16-inch hair. I did cut it. 16-inch hair, a closure, 3 bundles on a closure, 12, 14, 16 inches, all for $89.99. The hair company is Trust's Hair Company, which I got from it's not really local beauty supply store, because I said in the vlog I had to go in town because my local beauty supply store has nothing. So yeah, I'm sure you could probably find it online 100%. And yes, this was me showing y'all that you can go to the beauty supply store and get some bomb hair. Sorry for the ugly background. I'm in the process of redoing my makeup room. But this is me showing y'all that you can go to the beauty supply store, find good quality bomb hair. And yeah, I don't know if 3 bundles with 60 inches, I don't know how much that is online. I'm gonna look it up. Probably insert like a screenshot or something of like a popular hair company and compare the price. So yes, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love this hairstyle. I'm about to take some bomb selfies for the gram, for the snap. And yeah, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you ain't like it, and if you don't want to comment, like, and subscribe, then I don't care. You still gave me a view. Oh, alright. But for real, you might as well comment, like, and subscribe, because I got more videos like this. I got other types of videos coming. So yeah, just stay tuned, because I'm lit and we can be lit. Bye.